No, you push this down, anak. Yan. So you can push it. Yan. Oh. Hi, say hi, Panchang. Panchang, look at the camera. Tara's birthday celebration. Hi guys. Where are we going? To celebrate Tara's birthday. Happy birthday, Tara. Happy birthday, Tara. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tara. You're welcome. I love you. I'm gonna ride the airplane again.
Hello everyone, for information,
Tara,
we're
look at the
expecting
camera.
an almost full flight for today. We request everyone to kindly prioritize the space under the seat in front of you and put your bigger bags in the overhead. So welcome aboard.
Happy birthday.
Hello everyone.
Ooh. Puerto Princesa. Tara. Happy birthday.
Keep safe and calm.
Oops. We're here at Tito M's house. Hi guys. How are you? Are you excited to go to the beach? How about you, Franchang? How about you, birthday girl?
Thank you, Papa.
You're welcome. We're here.
Papa, I forgot to remove my slipper.
Oh, come on, let's go.
Baby!
Nilagay niya na lahat.
Baby!
Oh, enough na, Francine. Let's go. Ang dami mo nang kinuha.
Next, Mama. Hello, Mommy. Hello, Mommy. Let's go. I don't know.
Heart.
Yes.
That's for babies.
For Auntie Ben.
Oo. Sige na, kuha na kayo kahit anong gusto nyo. Tara, kuha kayo ng gusto nyo. Francine, pili ka ng gusto mo. Kahit ano dyan. Lagay nyo dyan sa cart nyo.
Sir, sariwa sir.
Nice.
Lagi si Maya. Samara.
Ito ano, lapo-lapo.
Apo, first na vlog.
Saan ang kilo ng ganyan?
350 sir. May tawad tayo sir. Maya-maya.
Ayun! Ngayon! First class, lapo-lapo.
45 lang.
Ito pang isa. O, itong isang malaki. Tanggalin mo yung dalawa ate. Ito yung famous na siopaw ngayon dito sa Palawan. Bola-bola. Gawa nila dito mismo. Baywalk, Puerto Princesa. What's our ulam for tonight? Ayan, baboy, adobo, baon namin. Mamaya, biyahe pa Port Barton. Ito lapu-lapu and shrimp. Dagat, tipong dagat. Tapos, tuna and tahong. Yes? Yes, my beautiful princess. What's that? Oh. Oh. Yeah boy, first day sa Palawan, nalang tayo ng 5 km. Shoot up yung aking HR kasi almost 3 weeks ako napahinga dahil sa knee injury. Ha! Hirap na tumakbo ulit pag matagal kang napahinga. Dito ako ngayon sa Baywalk. Baywalk to guys, Palawan, Puerto Princesa. Bukas pupunta tayo ng Underground River. And then Port Barton and then El Nido. 7 days tayo dito. More runs, Palawan. Let's go! Let's eat!
Hopefully, was go back there. Huli mo isang phone ba? Ay, no.
Leaving the dog sad in the cold wind. It didn't know where to go. This moment, the man who had been watching for a long
Why? You miss them? Uy, grabe naman. Na-miss nyo na kagad sila. Kuya Oliver.
Pag-jam na tayo sa home natin.
Oh, miss mo sila? Pansin, why you crying? Do you miss them? Uy, naku naman.
I miss them.